My name's Carroll Shelby, and performance is my business.
About all I had was an idea. You might even call it a dream. It was to build a sport car that, first of all, more people could own and enjoy driving, and second, that could race under American colors and maybe prod the old established names a little bit.
Welcoming everybody to the 5th annual Cobra Day at the Cobra Experience. Thanks so much for coming out and spending your Saturday with us. A lot of other stuff going on today, so enjoy the cars, enjoy some of the stuff we've been going. We'll be back and talk to you a little later about some of the other attractions at the Cobra Day, the Cobra Experience. So what we've done is we've done it a little bit different this year. So if you want to vote, what you need to do is you need to...
But it was a coincidence, really, that got us going. First, the AC car company in England badly needed a new engine. They produced a good basic chassis and body, but had no engine source. On the other hand, Ford Motor Company over here was just in the development stage of a promising new high-performance engine. Ford agreed to help me build a new sport car I call the Cobra. We're building Cobras for racing and for fun, and our coupes are getting ready for another season and another crack at those red Ferraris. This GT350 is a racing version of Ford's Mustang 2+2. We set the cars up for racing by installing special components, racing shocks and so on. We're doing a lot of testing as well. Road testing each new product change, proving out each component part, is almost as valuable to the manufacturer and designer as racing itself. It's a cinch that whatever success we find, we'll also find our share of disappointments. Motor racing is that way. It's a rich mixture of heartache and joy. For those of us who participate in this most exciting of sports, the Ford people, our crews, drivers, whatever the outcome, racing becomes a never-ending pursuit of excellence.